Good morning, students. How are you? Yes, I hope all are doing well. Children, in the previous class, you have learned about a globe model of the earth. A globe model of the earth. In the previous class, we have discussed about a globe. We learn about a globe. Yes, see, children, on globe we have seen some imaginary lines. Some are vertical lines, some are horizontal lines. Vertical lines are called lines of longitudes. Horizontal lines are called lines of latitudes, parallels and meridians. Understand, children? Parallels and meridians. And we have learned about some important parallels and important meridians. What are the important parallels? Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle and Equator. Say yes or no? Yes, these are some important parallels. And we have learned longitudes. Longitudes are also called meridians. Longitudes are also called meridians. Say yes or no? And these are vertical lines. These are run from one pole to another pole. One pole to another pole. North pole to South pole. These are run from North pole to South pole. Say yes or no? Yes. And we can use these imaginary lines. We can find out the location of a place and we find out the time of a place. Okay, children? And we learn about this lesson, about these lines in the upcoming classes. Understand, children? Later classes we learn more about these lines. Understand, children? And important meridians are Greenwich Meridian, 0° longitude, and International Dateline, 180 degrees longitudes. Yes, say yes or no? These all we learn in the previous class. Yes, children? Yes, today in this lesson we have to start our third lesson. What is the third lesson name? Landforms. What is the third lesson name? Landforms. Today in this lesson we are going to learn major landforms of the earth. Today in this lesson we are going to learn major landforms of the earth. Okay, children? Yes. You know what are landforms? Yes, I think you are all are learned already. You have learned in the previous classes. In the 5th class, you have learned some different types of landforms. Say yes or no, children? Yes, you know. And today we are going to learn major landforms of the earth. Major landforms of the earth. Yes, children. Let us start the topic. Write down the main points in your notebook, children. Don't neglect. Some of the children, they are not done their homeworks and they are not sending their homeworks to me. I observed. Take care, children. Do the homeworks regularly and write down the main points in your books and underline those hard words in your textbooks. Say yes or no? Yes. See, let us start the lesson. Major landforms of the earth. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, children, you see the map here. You observe the map here clearly. Yes, you know, children, what is this? It is the Indian map. The India map with physical features. The Indian map with the physical features. Say yes or no? What is this? It is a physical map of India. It is a physical map of India. In this map, you see the colorful physical divisions of our country. The colorful physical divisions of our country. What are the colorful physical divisions? You learn already, children. Once I revised, you learn in the 4th class all physical divisions of our country. Say yes or no? Yes. I'll show you. See, what are the physical divisions of our country? The northern mountains. What is this? Northern mountains. Northern mountains. See. Okay, children. Next one. See. The northern plains. Northern plains. What are these? Northern plains. See, here the yellow color. Observe once. What is this? The Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert. What is this? The Deccan Plateau. It is a Deccan Plateau. What is this? Deccan Plateaus. And the two coastal plains. Western coastal plain and eastern coastal plains. Understand, children? Deccan Plateau and the two coastal plains. And here you observe the two islands. Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Understand, children? See, here you observe clearly. See, children, these are our physical divisions. Means our country physical divisions. Means geographical divisions of our country. Geographical divisions of our country. Understand, children? What are that? Northern mountains. See, northern mountains. Understand, children? Northern plains. See, the Great Indian Desert means Western Desert. See, the Deccan Plateau means Southern Plateaus, and the two coastal plains and the two group of islands. The two group of islands. Understand, children? See, it is, what are these? These are our country physical divisions. One thing you observe here, children. See, you know that the land is uneven here. One thing you find out here, what is that? The land is uneven. See, there are some ups and downs. There are some ups and downs, means uneven land. Understand, children? Uneven land. These are called relief features of India. These ups and downs, these all are called relief features of our country. Yes. What did you understand from this map? What did you understand from this map? Yes. The land here is not even. Is not even. Understand, children? Is not uniform. The land is not uneven here. Uneven means the land was not same everywhere. Says sir, no? There are some ups and downs. These are called uneven lands. These are called uneven land. Yes. This is about our country. Once you think about our world, yes, I will show the world. Yes, children, what is this? It is, if you see this earth, what is this? If you see this, it is our earth, you know that. See, children, it is our earth. You know that there is 71% of water. You know that already. And 29% of land. 29% of land, 79% of water and 29% of land. Yes, in this 29% of land, see, this is land. Yes, in this 29% of land, is even here? No, it is not same everywhere. It is not same everywhere. Understand, children? It is not same everywhere. See, there are some different kinds of lands. There are some different kinds of landforms are there in the world. Says or no? Yes. These are called relief features. These are called relief features or physical features of the world. Physical features of the world. Yes, you once again I repeat, there is 71% of water, 71% of water and 29% of land. Understand, children? There is 71% of water and 29% of land. In this 21% of land, it is not same everywhere. It is not same everywhere. It is not distributed evenly. It is not distributed evenly throughout the world. Throughout the world, it's all distributed in an uneven manner. In an uneven manner. Understand, children? It's all distributed in an uneven manner. Now these variations is called relief features. Now these variations are called relief features. Now this land, you have seen some ups and downs. Some ups and downs. See, children, it will be divided into different kinds of landforms. Says or no? Yes. And today we are going to learn some important landforms. What are the important landforms? You know, already you learned in the previous lessons. Tell me some landforms. Mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, islands, valleys. Understand children? We will divide it into some different kinds of landforms. Today we are going to learn about some important landforms. See children, in the previous class, means in the 5th class, you have learned what are plains, what are mountains, what are deserts, what are islands. You know the definitions in the previous classes. Yes or no? You have learned already in the previous classes. Yes? Like that, here also today we are going to discuss about different kinds of landforms in this chapter we have learned today. Okay children? Yes, let us start our topic. Write down the main points in your book children. See children, today we are going to learn about landforms. Landforms. The land on which we live is not uniform in size. You know that. Size means what? Size means what? Shape, height, or area of the place. Some places it rises high from the hill and mountains with the steep slopes, and while in the other areas means surrounding areas, comparing the surrounding areas, hills have rising above the surrounding areas and it has some little slope. Mountains have steep slopes. You know that. Understand children? Yes. It may be low and flat or long stretches. These are called plains. Understand children? Lowlands which has flat surface of land. These are called plains. Highs, you know, travel from one place to another place. Suppose you have to travel. You want to travel one place to another place, from your village to another village. The land is even. While you are traveling from one place to another place, you observe one thing children, the land is even. No, you found so many types of landforms like ups and downs. Ups and downs. Some areas have hills, some areas have some steep plateaus. Understand children? Some ups and downs. As you travel from one place to another place, you might witness changes in the height of the places. The height is not same everywhere children. The place height is not same everywhere. It will be changing. Suppose your village will be in some down area. Suppose your neighboring village is, it lies in up area, like that. This is known as relief of a region. This is known as relief of a region. This is known as relief of a regions. Yes, there are three main kinds of landforms. There are three main kinds of landforms. What are the three main kinds of landforms? See children, the tall, mountains, plateaus and plain. Mountains, plateaus and plain. Understand children? What are mountains, what are plateaus and what are plains? You know, already you have learnt in the 5th class. Says or no? What are mountains? Mountains are rises above the surrounding areas. It has steep slopes. It has steep slopes. Understand children? Example, Himalayas. These are mountains. Next, plateaus. What are plateaus? What is a plateau? What is mean by plateau? A plateau is also highland, but it has some flat surface of land. It has some flat surface of land. It is called plateaus, and it has some steep edges. Steep edges. Says or no? These are called plateaus. Yes, children. And next one is plain. What is a plain? A plain is a flat and level land. A plain is a flat and level land. A plain is a flat and level land. Understand children? A very little slopes, gentle slope with them. A plain is a flat land. Yes, a plain is a lowland. These are lowlands and it has flat surface of land. Understand children? It will be used for farming. It is betterly used for farming. You know that all. Understand children? These are plains. Understand children? Now you have learned what are plains, what are plateaus and what are mountains. You know that. Understand children? Yes, like that. Once again I repeat, mountains, Plateaus and plains. What are mountains? Mountains are rising surrounding areas. It has steep slopes. It has steep slopes. Plateaus. It is also called. These also called tableland. You know the table. You observe one table how it looks. It is a surround highland. It look height and it has flat surface and it has steep edges. It is called plateaus. What are plains? Plain is a flat and level land. Flat and level land. Yes, understand children? Yes. You must have seen several hills or even been to places on some mountains ranges. Mountains are very high and they have steep slopes with very little flat land on them. Yes, children. See, you must have seen several hills. You must have seen several hills in your surrounding areas. Once you observe some mountain ranges, mountains are very high and they have steep slopes like this, steep slopes, very little flat land on them. These are called mountains. Say yes or no children? These are called mountains. Understand children? Yes. Look for the Himalayas. These are the examples of mountains. Looks for the Himalayas, Aravalli, Vindhya, Satpuras mountains in the map of India. You observe in the textbook they are given one map of India. You observe that height places means mountains on India map. There are important mountain ranges of our country. What are the important mountain ranges of our country? You know that already you learn in the previous classes. You observe the India map and you find out the mountains on our country. Yes, children? Yes. Today we'll discuss only 2 paragraphs, children. In the next class, we have to discuss about our state landforms. Means our state has some hills. We have to discuss, these 3 types of landforms. Where we are all live? We are all live in the plateau region. In the Deccan Plateau region. You know that. We are all live in the Deccan Plateau region. Understand? In the Deccan Plateau region lies in our state. Okay children, we have to discuss in the next topic in the next class. Do the homeworks regularly and send in time. Take care. Bye bye.